because that is how people specify a system, either to go for a low expansion, or to go for a medium expansion, or to go for a high expansion. Now, low expansion foam systems are those systems where the expansion value is limited up to 20. So basically, any expansion, so the expansion value is determined by the foam discharge device, which I will come to later. So the expansion value is basically the output of the foam system, which is applied to the fire. So if the foam is expanded less than 20 times, then there are various hazards with which you can protect using low expansion foam system. So examples are storage tank protections, and these can be hydrocarbon storage tanks, or this can be polar solvent storage tanks. Dike and bund area protection. This is used majorly in the chemical industries and paint industries to protect the dike in case there is a spill of the flammable liquid into the dike, which is quite sort of recurrence in chemical and pharma industries. So this system helps you sort of suppress a fire in the dike. Warehouse protection, where you have storage of flammable and toxic and hazardous liquids. Process platforms like offshore process platforms, or even chemical facility process platforms. Helipad protection also comes under low expansion foam systems. Aircraft hangar protection can be either classified as a low expansion system, or you also can provide high expansion foam system. Offshore platforms, oil jetties and LNG jetties, which are used for unloading of hydrocarbon fuels and LNGs. Tanker truck loading facilities, which is quite common, where the distribution and logistic facilities of oil company are present. And hydrocarbon, as well as chemical pumping stations. This is also one of the hazards where you can provide low expansion foam systems. So the next category is of medium expansion foam systems. So medium expansion foam systems are those where the expansion is within the value of 21 times to 200 times. Now here, medium expansion foam system was found to be very useful in a Buncefield fire in UK, which was one of the largest fires in Europe. And there, one of the fire equipment manufacturers used medium expansion foam systems to cover the dike spills, and thereon dike protection as being one of the major areas. So medium expansion has actually benefit of both the low expansion as well as high expansion. So low expansion, so the advantage is it has a high volume of foam production because the expansion value is high. And secondly, it fills up the area in a much lesser time. And third, it can be also used for vapor suppression. So sometimes there are some toxic liquids or flammable liquids before catching fire if it spills. And if the hydrocarbon detectors detects the fire, then you can activate the foam system even before the fire. And this can be used sort of to suppress the vapor as well as salvage the product. It can be also used in indoor process rooms, like most of the companies who manufacture like pharmaceutical products, and also in process areas, open process areas. But the major requirement is that a medium expansion foam system should be provided with a dike wall so that it can contain the foam. Then the last is nothing but a high expansion foam system, which has a ratio of 100 to 2000 times. It is majorly used in LNG drain pits, sort of to when the LNG takeoff happens from a cargo vessel into the storage tank. There is a drain pit, and this is where the chances of fire are there due to the very low flash point of LNG. Then LPG and LNG tank dikes. We have done a couple of projects on protecting tank dikes where there is a possible incidence of LPG leaking out from either the piping or from the double wall storage tank. Even slowly, we have seen that even warehouse protection is moving with high expansion foam system. We have done a couple of projects, especially in Europe. Warehouse protection, instead of sprinklers, they prefer to go with high expansion. Rubber storage facilities is one of the major hazard which is protected by high expansion. The warehouses which store rubber products. The solid waste recycling plants and incineration plants too are finding nowadays application of high expansion foam system. Now the most important topic, first, when you design a foam system, it all starts with the foam application.